Text solution. To find the magnifying power m of a compound microscope, we use the formula m equals frac L FO C dot frac D FE, where L equals length of the microscope tube equals 40 centimeters, FO equals focal length of the objective lens equals 2 centimeters, D equals least distance of distinct vision equals 25 centimeter, FE equals focal length of the eyepiece 4 centimeters. Substituting the values, m equal frac 42, frac 25 4 equals 20, get out 6.25 equals 125. Conclusion, the magnifying